So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to turn my engine to on, right? Let everything boot up. And I'm going to turn my motor on. What I'm looking for, so I'm looking for my governor cutoff. It should be, on this model, it's about 120 to 140 PSI. So I have proper air pressure. My governor's cut off, so I should be good with that. Once all that's on, I'm going to turn my motor to off. I'm going to turn my ignition to on, so all my electronics work. Then I'm going to push in my parking brake. I'm going to press and hold the brake pedal. I'm going to press and hold it for 1 minute, no more than 3 PSI, right? So it's been a minute. We're going to make it a magic minute. So my next step is I'm going to fan down my brake until I see my audible or visual indicator. I only have visual on this one because the engine's not running. I'm going to fan it down. It should be no less than 55 PSI. I'm looking up above, and I have a low brake air warning, and I'm at 70, 80 PSI, so I'm good on there. That's my second part. My third part is going to be fanned down until my pop-off valve pops off, and that should be no less than 35 PSI. And I'll fan it down. You can either go slow or fast. Let's see what this thing pops. And this one popped at no less than 35 PSI, right? So that does my air brake test. The next step I would do is my tug test. So I fire up my bus. All I have to do is start my ignition. Here's my audible air warning. Let my air pressure build up. While it's building up, I'm going to go pull my wheel chocks out. So we're going to go outside and pull the wheel chocks. So now I'm waiting for my air pressure to build up. I'm going to put my seatbelt on because we may be moving. All right, once I build up appropriate air pressure, I should be at about 120 PSI for me to do that. I will say it's up to 120 PSI. First thing I'm going to do is put my foot on my brake, push in my parking brake, put it in the drive, pull my parking brake out back up, and so now my vehicle's in drive. I'm going to give it some throttle. You'll hear the motor rev up. I'm making sure that the braking system holds, which it does. My next step is going to be my 5 mile-an-hour test, my service brake test. Push in my parking brake. I'm just going to roll it forward to about 5 miles an hour, both hands on the wheel, and I'm going to come to a stop. I'm going to make sure that my steering wheel doesn't pull left and right and that my brakes don't pull. Then I can go back and secure my vehicle. And that's how you do your air brake test.